Okay, well I would have hit that. Okay, Infume's high up again. Here's what we do. We win, bro. We win. We are gonna win, bro. No more forfeits. No more forfeits. Oh, I'm cooked. I saw Desert Village and I knew I was cooked, bro. Oh, that's interesting. I missed the gold from the chest, but surely it doesn't matter, right? Yeah. Dude, where's the golem? Here you are. Oh, that's not good. You know, maybe it's not over, but Infume's fire alarm's going off? What should I do? Hello? Okay, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I won't do anything. Okay. I'm gonna draw. No worries. Alright. No worries. Yeah, I hope so. It might take him a while. Just let me know in chat, or he'll send a draw vote when he gets back. Wow, that's not what I was expecting, bro. Probably. Might be a bit. It's chill, it's chill. No worries. Hopefully it's not. Most of the time it's not. Actually, I did have a fire at like my school actually not that long ago. One of the buildings is closed down. Oh shit. No worries, no worries. I wonder, were you going this way? Or when did you stop? Did you kill Gollum? Like, did you already have like a plan in mind? If it's real, no, I don't wanna. I'm not gonna like. Oh, you mean like if it is real? Build a house? I don't. I'll build a tree house, bro. Let's find a tall tree. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Bro, what? I didn't have enough sticks. Hold on, we need a double. We need a. Bro, where's the chest? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna build like a little platform. Dude. Okay, we need to actually like do it from here. Oh. Let me know, Infume. Shoot. This is a little bit hard to figure out. I cannot lie. Okay. Look at this, bro. It's a sloped roof. Okay, and then we got chest, bro. Bam. Hold on. Oh. Oh. Oh, bro. It's actually beautiful. Okay, hold on. Here we have the secret mine, bro. This is the secret strip mine. It definitely does, bro. And then get a Lytra, bro. Chill. I don't know about that. I don't even know how to do anything, bro. I do not want to bridge all the way out to the outer end. Wait, no, I can kill the dragon. Is what? Bro, I don't know how to do all advancements. All I know how to do is add a furnace to my home. Dude, the tree's decaying. Yo, it's on life support, dude. It's on life support. No, bro. I don't know. Matches don't have a time limit. I've seen a 2-hour match before. Okay, guys, we're gonna just go on a adventure, bro. Okay, should I actually just like enter the nether and stuff? Like actually like start doing stuff? Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Oh wait, that's true. If I do complete, I ruin the average. Full netherite. Dog. It's gonna be over for me. That's true. Okay, bro. Hello? There we go. It's a far one, dude. Lower terrain's definitely the goat here. Bro, I'm not gonna make friends with the piglins. I don't know if I can do that. I don't think that'll work, bro. They're making you move further away? Dude, so there's actually a fire? What? Oh no. Oh no. Dude, I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna complete. Like, I'm going to, like, play out the seed, but I'm not gonna complete. I'll just, like, wait in the end. Oh, guess I'm doing T-Wags. Never done T-Wags before, and, like... T-Wags in 2025. Oh! Bro, I just spam right-clicked all the pigs, bro. Way to force a draw? No. Dog, I'm plumbing. It's okay, I'm not even, like, taking this game seriously. Like, I'm not, like, in a rush. I'm just gonna, like, chill. 10-minute Bastion? It's true. I mean, I don't have any fireworks. Do you think Infume would do that? Infume, if I forfeit and then you forfeit against me, you'll lose less elos than if I just win. So it's kinda an okay deal. Yo, wait, oh, that's a different side. Can't go to overworld? Oh yeah, that's right, I can't go to the overworld. It's true. Yeah, he'll end up losing. Of course, he'll definitely lose elo. He'll lose more than that. Like, I'm just saying, he'll lose less than if I just, like, straight up win. Because I'm not just gonna, like, straight up forfeit for him. Bro, why is there gravel here? Why did I do that? I'm not even taking this match seriously, but dog. Oh. Impressive. Okay, guys, where's the fort? I would lose this seed if I actually played against Infume. I know, Infume, I know. Oh, throw items through fountain and die. Yo, honestly, that's smart, bro. I'm just gonna guess which way the fort is. Because I need to improve my guessing game. Oh wait, that's a waste, bro. Ooh. Also, yeah, as you can tell, I'm like not even trying to go fast. That's just because. Yeah, this is interesting. I don't want to break spawner. I just want to actually try to figure this out. Three free seed changes no matter what. That's like a weird deal. I don't know. I don't really like that. I'm sorry. Just, I don't know. I don't really have any value with that. I don't want to wait hella long. But it's okay. I'll wait long enough for Infume to know if it's a drill or not. Like, if it actually, like, turns out to be real, like, I'm sorry, but, like, I'm just gonna complete it. I know, like, that's kind of makes me an asshole, but... Dude, why am I, like, playing like a turtle right now? I should actually, like, try to take it seriously so I don't, like, plumb in my next game. It's not a drill, but it could be a false alarm. Okay. I mean... I could just watch an episode of anime while waiting. And then draw vote. Or I could just die, bro. Yo. GG. GG. Bro, I was just reading chat and not paying attention to my fires, bro. It's brilliant. Nah, it's not your bad. Yo, look at this tech, bro. Yo, Creeper, what's up? What's up? Ooh, extra blocks. Average. Dog, I'm gonna get clowned on if I say which anime, bro. Like, I'm not... I don't want that. It's an anime that, like, people typically clown on you for watching. I think. I don't think it's bad. I like it, but I'm gonna get clowned on. I'm gonna get clowned on. Just say it, bro. It's My Hero Academia, bro. It's not bad, it's not bad. Okay, thank goodness, bro. I don't know. For some reason, I'm watch like YouTube shorts, and everybody's just clowning on it. Whenever it's mentioned, everyone's like, ah, like, nah, bro. Hell nah. And I'm like, damn, bro. My bad. I guess you're right. It's YouTube shorts. Yo, I am back at the spawner. Did none of my... I wonder if, like, most of my stuff survived. Fire truck leaving. Yo, 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 yo. I'm still at the spawner, bro. The rates are so bad, Infume. I'm like 3 for 800 right now. Actually, nah, I'm at 0. I'm at 0. I actually never... no, I'm on 3. I'm on 3. I'm on 3. Like, I'm on 3 runs. Trust, right? Trust, 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 trust. We might be good. Yo! Yo, 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 yo. I'm gonna die again, bro. I'm gonna die again, bro. Dude, I need a re-warm up after this game. I don't know what happened, but like, I'm just like full plumbing right now. How much, oh, I only have 3 beds. Wait, not 3 beds, 5 beds. Which is kind of crazy. You coming back? Yay! Bro, how long is it gonna take for him to get back to his dorm? What floor is it on, guys? What floor do you think his dorm is on, chat, bro? I'm gonna guess... Actually, I will have no clue, bro. Oh! Yeah, bro. It's on the 2nd floor, bro. It's like... not gonna take long. Oh my gosh, how does that miss? Dude, I'm full plumbing right now. It's actually crazy. Wait. Like, yeah, where am I, dude? Okay. There you go, bro. That's so funny, man. Let's go. 3 elo! 3 elo! Yo, that puts me back at where I